Pro detailers are hiding something from you. You think getting a flawless, factory-fresh interior requires top-tier professional gear and hours of back-breaking scrubbing. It doesn't. In fact, the products the pros actually reach for are cheap, simple, and you're probably ignoring them on the shelf right now. Today on AutoRift, I'm exposing 7 interior detailing gold mines that will completely transform your car's cabin. And pay close attention to product number 5, because it makes stains you thought were permanent literally vanish in 30 seconds. Let's get into it. Gold mine number 1, cleaning gel. We are starting cheap, and we are starting incredibly satisfying. Look, you can wipe your dashboard all day, but what about the air vents? The seams around your shifter? The tiny gaps in your steering wheel buttons? That's where dust and crumbs go to die, and a microfiber towel can't reach them. Enter the cleaning gel. You don't wipe with it, you just gently press it in and pull it back out. It molds to the exact shape of the crevice, grabbing all the dust, grime, and oils with it. When one side gets dirty, just fold it over and keep going. It's the ultimate hack for making the hardest to reach spots look instantly spotless. Just remember, use it on hard surfaces, not your cloth seats, and keep it in its container so it doesn't dry out. Gold mine number 2, a Boar Hair Detailing Brush. If the gel is for crevices, this is for every textured surface in your car. Most of the grime inside your interior isn't a massive spill. It's a microscopic layer of dust and skin oils deeply embedded into the grain of your leather, vinyl, and plastics. When you just wipe a towel over a textured dashboard, you are only cleaning the top layer. The dirt inside the tiny grooves stays there, making your interior look dull and gray over time. The soft, natural bristles of a boar's hair brush safely dig down into those pores without scratching. Just spray a little cleaner, lightly agitate the surface in circles, and watch years of hidden grime foam up. Wipe it away and you'll be shocked at how new your panels look. Gold mine number 3, Meguiar's Quik Interior Detailer. Now that you have your brush, what are you spraying with it? Listen closely. Stop buying interior sprays that leave a wet, greasy shine. That artificial gloss screams cheap, causes blinding glare on your windshield, and acts like a magnet for dust. Meguiar's Quik Interior Detailer is the everyday workhorse that gets it right. It cleans safely and leaves a 100% natural, factory matte finish. Your car shouldn't look wet. It should look like it just rolled off the assembly line. Here's the golden rule for modern cars packed with screens and electronics. Never spray the cleaner directly onto the dashboard. Spray it onto your brush or microfiber towel first, then wipe. This prevents liquid from seeping behind your infotainment screen or gauge cluster. Gold mine number 4, Nextzett Cockpit Premium. This is the German detailing secret that almost nobody talks about, but once you use it, you can't go back. While standard protectants use heavy silicones that damage your interior over time, Cockpit Premium does the exact opposite. It is a true all-in-one cleaner and protectant that leaves an absolute zero-shine finish. But the real magic is what it does under the surface. It is packed with high-quality UV absorbers that act like sunscreen for your plastics. The sun is the #1 enemy of your dashboard, causing fading and cracking. Instead of a fake shine that accelerates damage, you get genuine, long-lasting UV protection with a flawless matte look. Gold mine number 5, Folex Carpet Spot Remover. I promised you a miracle, and here it is. I genuinely don't understand why this product isn't famous worldwide. Folex does things that look like special effects. Got a coffee stain that dried into your floor mat months ago? A mystery spot on your cloth seats? Spilled soda? You don't need a heavy extractor machine. You just spray Folex directly onto the spot, gently work it in with your fingers, and blot it with a dry towel. The stain is gone. Period. But here's the secret reason pros love it. It's water-based and leaves absolutely zero sticky soap residue behind. Most carpet cleaners leave soap in the fibers, which immediately attracts new dirt, making the stain reappear a week later. Folex rinses clean. Once the stain is gone, it stays gone. Gold mine number 6. The Invisible Glass Reach and Clean Tool. Let's talk about the most frustrating surface in your entire car, the inside of your windshield. Because of the steep angle, you can never quite reach the bottom corners, leaving streaks and haze. Over time, plastics in your car off-gas and create a milky film on the inside of the glass. You might not notice it during the day, but at night or driving into the sun, it scatters light and causes dangerous glare. This tool is a simple triangular head with a washable microfiber bonnet on a long handle. You spray your glass cleaner onto the pad, and suddenly, you can lay it perfectly flat against the glass right down into the tightest corners without dislocating your shoulder. It turns a frustrating 10-minute struggle into a flawless 15-second wipe down. Gold mine number 7, Ozium Air Sanitizer. We are finishing with the smell, because a clean interior interior that smells bad still feels dirty. Here's the biggest mistake people make. They buy a cheap vent clip or hanging tree to cover up a bad smell. You aren't removing the odor, you're just layering a fake strawberry scent on top of old gym clothes. Ozium is not an air freshener. It is an air sanitizer originally developed for hospitals. It actually attacks and destroys the airborne bacteria causing the bad smells. You don't spray this on surfaces. You give 2 quick sprays into the air of your empty car, shut the doors, and let it work for 15 minutes. When you get back in, it doesn't smell like cheap perfume. It just smells like nothing. The odor is completely neutralized. For less than the cost of a tank of gas, you can grab this entire arsenal and make any car look, feel, and smell factory fresh. The interior is the part of the car you actually live in every single day. Stop neglecting it because you think it's too expensive. I've linked all these hidden gems down below so you can check them out. If you want more no-nonsense, straight-to-the-point detailing secrets that save you time and money, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching AutoRift, and I'll see you in the next one.